Hey everybody, I am Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and we are working with Newpowa Solar to put a solar off-grid system on our Apex 269 RBKS, and we just got all the products. They sent us products. We only paid for the batteries, everything else they gave us, but let's get this stuff unboxed and see what we got going on. All right, so they sent us 2 of these
110 amp hour.
We don't know that much about solar yet. We haven't done our research. It's time to install. So you're gonna learn how to do it with us. In the next few weeks, we're gonna have a couple of videos coming out about how we installed this on our RV. We just wanted to check everything first to make sure that nothing arrived damaged. So solar panel number 1, check. These are 220 watt, 12 volt solar panels. Each one weighs about 30 pounds, and they come ready to just plug right into the solar connection. And they do have some instructions.
We're gonna need a lot.
And I'm gonna probably make a few phone calls before we're done. Here's number 2.
Oh, so exciting.
Box number 3. Packing paper.
Christmas. Woo.
All right, let's see. This is the MPPT100i40 Bluetooth solar charger controller. This is the controller panel that's going to go inside the RV. We'll open it up in a second. And then we also have the Newpowa Powell sine wave inverter. This allows the RV to convert the battery to power our 110 items like the TV. Let's open this box. Here's the sine inverter. Inside, another little instruction manual. If you don't know what any of this stuff is, you'll probably at least recognize this is the blue box, because anytime anybody shows any solar installs, you always see this blue box. So this is the inverter, and it's got some cables in here and some mounting brackets and some other stuff that I don't know what it's for yet. Not today's problem. This is the Bluetooth solar charge controller, which is the system that will tell us how much power we have and give us all the information we need to know about usage and battery left and all of that stuff. It is kind of big. This is all going to end up going underneath our bed, I'm pretty sure. But we'll see.
So we have to have something where we can see.
Yeah, on the inside of the door that opens up.
Ah.
We still have to figure out how the install is going to work. That we needed to see what we were getting first.
And how big everything is.
All right, on to box 4 and 5. These are the Newpowa lithium batteries, 12 volt, 100 amp hours each. We have 2 of them. Really excited because we had to replace our battery in the RV at the beginning of the season, right at the beginning of the summer. And let me tell you, that battery weighed a ton, and these 2 new lithium batteries together, I don't think weigh quite as much as that battery weighed if you just bought. It was lead acid, not lead acid, gel. So there we go. We're starting out with 2. We will eventually probably add 2 more, maybe. We don't know yet. We just have to wait to see how all this works. There you have it, the main components of our new Newpowa off-grid solar setup. I've got some instructions to read so that I don't sound like a complete idiot in the next video. We have to get some material still. We need all the cables and the attaching brackets and all of that once we figure out exactly where everything's going on the roof of the RV and in the under the bed inside. But keep checking out our upcoming videos where we're going to show you how we did the install on this and then eventually how it all works out in the wild.